Hello friends, I am Minu. Today I want to talk about an important aspect of our life, that is what others will think. Generally, whenever we try to do something new, we always resist or we always think, oh no, if I do something, if I make mistake, what others will do? And many a times we don't take a step ahead because of just this one thing. I'm not sure why we need validation from others. Our perspectives are different. My perspective is different, your perspective is different to see a thing or particular work. Why should I need validation from you? It is not important, right? But we make it very, very, very important. For example, if I have to be a good speaker, if I have to overcome my stage fear, I have to go on stage and I have to speak up. But if I keep thinking that, oh no, if I fail doing that, if I do mistake, what others will think about me, what they will say, is that gonna help me? No, never. If I have to overcome my stage fear, I have to go on stage without thinking about others. What if I made mistake? That's fine, I am not killing anyone or I am not gonna die. It's just a mistake. I can improve later on. So that is it. But we need validation. Oh, how was it? I was looking good? No? Yes? Why do we do that? And many a times we don't take a step ahead just because of this. Can you think your life incident where you had not taken any step just because of what others will think, what others will say? You just think about it. For you, you are the one who is gonna take a step, not others. They are not gonna do anything for you. You have to take courage. You have to have courage in you. So do that. I have been suffered many a times that I was having a stage fear. Obviously, I was having fear of facing camera. Once I had applied for Indian Institute of Mass Communication, and I was not aware that facing a camera was part of interview. I did my interview very, very good because I heard their praises. I heard their saying that they were saying that, oh, your accent, your everything is so good, perfect. And I was so happy. Yes, I did it. But next moment they said, we have one more session. You have to go into that room and perform. I said, perform? I was not aware that I have to do anything like that. And when I went to that small room, one man was there with big camera and I was holding mic. And I was so terrified. I don't know why. But now if I think, I know that I was thinking, what if I do mistake? I was not mentally prepared for that. That is one thing. But why did not I perform? Because I was scared. I was scared about what if I fail? What others will say? I could not perform. Once I had been on a stage and I was in a singing competition, but I could not utter a word. I fumbled. Why? Just because I had that feeling what others will say if I do some mistake. Looking at the public or audience, I was just terrified. So that happens to everyone. It's just few examples I shown or I said or I shared about me, but this is common problem we face. So please, I am just overcome with that mindset. Please, you do also, because we have a great life ahead. We cannot stop ourselves just because people's validation, what others will say, right? So just do that and believe in yourself and go ahead. Thank you.